Okay, we're gonna do a video about Landmark Casino and Hotel. So we're just gonna show you the context of it. It's right next to the Emperor, which is right here, and Landmark's right here. So stay tuned, and we're gonna walk around the building and kind of show you the neighborhood of where this is. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, yep, so this is Landmark Casino, and you can see some kind of bright lights, so actually the timing is going to be perfect. So we're going to kind of take a look and see. So we're kind of on the side street, it's called Zape. And then I'll give you a little context. There's straight ahead, there's some casinos like MGM and Star World. So there's Star World right there. You got some alleys like this one, President Casino, Emperor Casino and Hotel. So they're basically like those are some of the hotels. I think that's an apartment building right there, and then that gold one is the President. So Landmark is kind of right in the middle of all these other ones as well. But this one I think is it's classified as a 5-star hotel. I don't know if it is or not, but it's pretty. But it has like an entire city block. It also has one of these things too, which is a giant billboard thing. So there's the front of Landmark. We're on Rua de Shanghai for anybody that wants to look at the street. And then not too far from here is this is called Avenida de Amazad right there. And there's a Star World Casino right here. So Landmark is across from Star World. Star World, Wynn Casino's down that way. MGM is over there. La Arc. So these are all very expensive casinos. Cost a lot of money to get a room in them. But these ones like Landmark are quite cheap. So I looked it up just a little while ago, and on COVID it's maybe let's see if we'll just cross this crosswalk and go across. Maybe 200 mop right now, which is about 25 American dollars. Let's just see. We're gonna try to see if we can. There's a little bit of construction here. Yeah, we can walk up this way. So there's Landmark. That must be part of some of the rooms must be up that way. Got a nice fountain up here. Looks like they're doing some construction. I've seen this construction for a while. It looks like there's some cars parked in here too. Let's just see what it is. Trash and some cars are parked. Okay. Well, I don't know what they're doing with that, but looks like you got some giant. So I don't know. Said they're gonna build something. So this is a Landmark Macau Casino. All the Chinese lanterns in here. And we're in an area called Zape. So this area is called Zape, which is this one. This area is called Nape. So to get from Zape to Nape, as you can imagine, it's kind of a nightmare. But there's a couple underground spots where you can go underneath. Because basically this is a giant road, and they also have the Grand Prix goes through here as well. But maybe for people that are looking into hotels, probably you're looking here for hotels. So now you can see, okay, new Orient Landmark Hotel. I don't have COVID, by the way. Macau, China. I don't know what the yellow ones are. Landmark flag. So actually Landmark is a pretty big one. Nice. Would I recommend it? I think so. I think they have pretty nice rooms in here. I look online. I kind of realized a lot of people want to see what some of the hotels look like, so I've been kind of looking. I could actually go inside and take a look at a room, but I think there's pictures online already, and I see that people create videos like that already anyways. So we'll just kind of show the context within the, usually in mine, here's free shuttle buses. Most all the hotels have shuttle buses to the border gates and hotels and ferry terminals and places like that. Nice lighting. It's a bank to the side. So we're just gonna walk all the way around the Landmark. And yeah, the lighting is just about perfect right now. And this one, this is how cars get from nape to zape, because they have to get over that big kind of fast expressway thing that we just saw behind us. Down that way. Avenida de Amazad. Okay, so we're gonna take a left in a minute, and then we're gonna kind of get a feel for what Zape looks like. There's a parking right there. There's also a park right there. This is like the park of the ethnic minorities. So a bunch of ethnic minorities from mainland China have statues given to themselves. And I have filmed in there before. So this is the backside of Landmark. So you can see it's quite a big hotel, casino hotel. So I guess some of the rooms are up there as well. So some of them would look this way. So I guess they'd go on all the directions. There seems like there's more of them on this way for some reason. Kind of wonder what's up on the... Looks like there might have been a rooftop that maybe overlooks the other way. So if you had a room there, you'd be looking into that, I guess. That looks like an office building. Daiso, it's a Japanese. You can buy like cheap things at Daiso. So yeah, Landmark is a pretty big city block. Really big. Straight ahead is Lisboa, so that one right there is Lisboa Casino. There's Emperor Casino, so when we started the video, I was between Emperor and Landmark Hotel and Casinos. And there's more stuff down that way. There's a hospital right up there, so you have to go up the hill a little bit to get to that hospital. But that's also in this area. I don't know how you get up the hill. I think there's some way, like an elevator or something like that, that connects from this ground level flat area up to the hill. Up there would have been traditional Macau as well, so that would have been, you can see here's some shops as well. That looks pretty cool. So there's a Landmark right there. And all the places up there. Okay. See, so we have a little crosswalk right here. We'll enter, and then we can see Landmark from this side. So this is where we started at. So yeah, that's a Landmark Casino. More lights. So now you kind of saw it 360, I guess, all the way around it. And around Huade, Shanghai, and Lisboa is down there. So okay, anyways. So this is kind of where Landmark is. It's kind of in this little area. And I guess what we'll do is we'll just end it right there. So, and let's just try to capture a good angle of it. So now you can see the Landmark. So that's Landmark Casino right there. Okay. Hope you like that one. Chiquinha.